Hello ladies. When you go to your wardrobe, do you find that you can't find things that's going to suit you sometimes because possibly you put on a little bit of weight or the opposite? Well, we now have the solution for you. I'm very excited because we have a new website. It's called thatsme.com.au. You will find the video tutorials available for you online. You'll also be able to measure yourself accordingly to suit your own individual body shape. Please take a look at thatsme.com.au. You won't be disappointed.